Welcome! If you want to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your OnePlus Nord 2 5G, firstly open your top bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button, click pencil and find this button for bottom section, and then need to press and hold and then drag to top bar. And for saving, click back. Then need to press and hold screen button, and now we got show touch operations. So now I got turn on this option, click and it will be turn off. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.